Hey guys, it's your favorite gold miner, prospector, and geologist, Jeff Williams, and his trusty sidekick, Leela Williams, huh? Now today, we're gonna head off, that's right, I know this isn't a rerun, we're gonna head off up there to the V Cave, yeah. And not only that, I'm gonna get my lovely wife to carry all of our gear up there.
Oh, yeah, right.
I didn't think she was gonna go for that. Now a lot of you guys have been chomping at the bit and saying, Jeff, what the heck is that mysterious building up there by the V Cave? Well, today, we're finally gonna find out, that's right. We're gonna hike all the way up to it non-stop today and put this thing to rest once and for all, because I gotta know what's up there and I know you gotta know what's up there. And if we have time, we'll circle back around and play around with that pesky V Cave, because I know Kenny Beach is hiding up there. He's just waiting for me to help him. Him and Sasquatch, well, those pesky aliens with their probing fingers. Ugh. Yeah, I know, get on with it, Jeff. Get up there and find out what's up there in that building. I'm tired of walking, so we're just gonna run the last 200 feet. Because I'm tired of this slow pace. Oh yeah, come and get some. What's your excuse, fellas, huh? If she can hike all the way up to the top of this mountain, then what's your excuse, huh?
You know that I'm the cream of the crop. Nobody does it better.
Ooh, somebody grabbed me. Somebody's frisky. Chicka wow wow. Fiji! Only 2 more mountains to go. So what am I gonna say? Smash the like button?
Smash it hard!
Smash it harder than that. Nice brisk 2-hour hike, huh, sweetie?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, baby. Give you a workout for sure. Ah, look at this, our first sign of something man-made. Look at that. Look at that. That's been beat to death. Look at this. Ah, sweetie. What the heck is it? Yeah, that's a piece of metal from our mysterious building. Some kind of sheet metal. That means we're not too far away from our objective. Huh, sweetie?
Yes.
Do I got any takers out there on what this thing is, huh? Is it a military installation? Is it a meth lab? Is it where the aliens are hanging out and they're gonna give us a surprise finger probe? But go ahead and leave your comment down below. Don't cheat, but tell me what you think it is before we get there. Oh wow, look at this. A mine that's not on any map. See the mine dump right here? Look at that, it all got washed away. That's a pretty good sized mine dump. That means that there must be an adit in there somewhere. If I got time later, I'll come back here and try to punch holes to see if there's anything there. But the mine dump doesn't look very promising. I don't see a lot of mineralization. But I'm sure there's plenty of mines all over this whole range. See that zone of alteration? Somebody's been digging there too, right there. Oh my gosh, yeah, you can see where they were digging there, and they were digging there. It'll test your metal, huh, sweetie?
Oh, yeah.
The burros were gracious enough to leave us some of these road apples. Yeah, just like Mama used to make. All right, I can see the fence from here. Hey, at least we're in the shade, right? Not in direct sunlight.
Yeah, it's very nice.
I'd cook our little noodles. And I don't like my noodle cooked. Unless I'm going to a noodle restaurant, huh, sweetie?
That sounds good.
Yeah, let's go get a noodle restaurant. Let's go get some noodles. Isn't she a trooper, huh? All right, sweetie. I got you. Come on. Get up there. Don't fall. My wife just pointed out that rock over there. Not sure why she is getting excited about it.
Yeah, that one, sweetie.
Fiji, Fiji.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, there she is. See the fence? Hey, I think I hear a buzzing and I feel funny inside. I got some more metal. Yeah. Look at that. It looks like a welding rod or something. We made it. Here's the fence and there's the structure. All right, let's see if it's electrified. Ready? No, just kidding. Uh-oh. I think we upset the man. Yeah, got myself a black helicopter already. Yeah, I should have known we shouldn't come out here. All right, let's get in there. Man, that's a big old building. Look at that. Concrete everywhere. There's some kind of radio transmitter up here. That looks like some kind of transmitter. There's a mine dugout right here. I'm gonna check this out. got a sign over here. Hold on, let's see what it says. It says, Area 51, you are now U.S. property. Let's see. Wildlife water catchment. Oh, nice. Silver Creek. Oh, and there's a pipe. This is probably the pipe that feeds this guy. Look at that. That camouflage looks cool, don't it? That looks pretty cool. Look at this. Oh, what is that? Here's that concrete thing. I got bees everywhere. There's some kind of plaque. There's some kind of transmitter right there. Nice. Yeah, somebody put a lot of work into this. There's an electrical box, solar panel. It's probably got a pump or maybe some kind of measuring unit on it to let them know when the water's high or low. And that's probably what this box is for. There's the pipe right there. I don't know if that's a filling pipe or a drain pipe. Look at all that water. Look at all the bees. Look at that. Nice. That's why they're all up here. Look at that view, huh? Wow. Look at that. There's a solar panel. I don't know what that box is for right there. Maybe somebody in the comments section could tell me what that box is for. That is pretty cool. Well, mystery solved. It's a giant water catchment system. Huh, sweetie? Look at that thing. I guess it catches the water and it runs down there. But where does, oh, I guess the water goes in at the very end. I'm assuming that the fence is to keep, I don't know, maybe donkeys out? I mean, but it doesn't have anything around it. They could just squeeze through if they really wanted to. This would be a good place to get out of the rain. Imagine what it took to get this thing up here. They had to level it and bring all this stuff in. Wow. Pretty cool, huh, sweetie? And I guess the water goes into there. It goes in there. I still don't know what that thing in the middle is for. So if you guys know what that thing on the roof of this thing is, of the catchment, tell me what it is. I've never seen a catchment this big, ever. And I've been out here my whole life. This has got to be the biggest one I've ever seen. Wow. Yeah, there's some big tanks, extra metal, piping. This would be a good place for animals to get away when it's hot. Look at the size of those tanks. Jeez. Imagine getting them up here. And there's that double wall, probably to keep the heat off of those tanks. Well, for you guys out there that said water catchment system, pat yourself on the back. I actually thought it was used by meth heads or people growing weed or something like that, because I've never seen one that big. This thing is a monster. And as far as this goes, that's just a dugout into this alteration zone. Getting up underneath that monker. Doesn't go anywhere though, but you can see the altered rock. This is probably here long before this was here. Well, now we can put the mystery to rest. Yeah, it's a water catchment system. But still, I don't know how they got it up here. I mean, all the metal, the concrete, and all the tanks and the electrical. I don't know how they did it. There's no roads up here. You've seen how long it took for us to get up here. But what a view. Look at that view. You can't beat it from up here. Look at the concrete, everything. All the metal had to be welded. This is absolutely amazing. So you better smash that like button, smash it hard, huh, sweetie?
It's smashing hard.
Better, the boss lady has spoken. Now don't forget, at the end of this month, not only are we giving away a brand new Gold Monster 1000 metal detector, but now we're starting to give away brand new Keene 140S dry washers with the gas blower and hose. And we're also giving away a Keene dry washer puffer with electric motor. All you gotta do is put a solar panel up to it and you can run all day. And of course, as always, we give away 10 bags of pay dirt, each with a 1-ounce silver bar. Now, if you wanna get your hands on any of this stuff, all you gotta do is look for the little icon at the end of the video that looks like that. Just click on it, make a $10 pledge, and you instantly qualify to get your hands on any of that stuff. And with gold pushing over $4,000 an ounce, now's the perfect time to get your hands on a gold finding machine. And I'll see you on the next video. Smash the like button.
It's smashing hard.